Hey y'all, what's going on? Mr. Dave here. We are spraying on the texture coat, and I just want to show you how that looks when we do it. This mix is a 1-to-1 ratio approximately of sand to mortar, but you can also buy pre-mixed stuff, and we're using Spec Mix from Home Depot. It just comes in 94-pound or 60-pound bags, and it's working fine. So we use a bunch of the Sika acrylic admix for our liquid. We use 7 seconds, so you start pouring it for 7 seconds is a good idea of that, and then water, and then we mix it up with the paddle drill. It's got the little wires. It's not really a paddle, but it's wires squared up, and you can mix the bottom of the bucket good. So we use that to mix it, and we've sprayed on this top section already of this Grotto boulder, and all we're using is this little hopper from Home Depot. Well, it used to be red. Somewhere in there you can see a little red, and about a 1/4 inch tip on it as far as the size of the aperture, and a nail gun compressor is going off. You can hear it in the background. So all we do is mix that up, pour it in here, and let it go. Kind of make circles a little bit. You can build things up a little bit. You can build things up a little bit by blowing it there to get some more thickness, to give yourself more of a corner. Or if you want to build up this little peel away, you see that? Now we have more material we can play with. We can trowel it up, beef it up, make it a little bit bigger if we want to. Spray it straight in the crack. Yeah, that feels good and real nice. And then we're empty. So that's basically the way we blow on the texture coat when we're using the hopper. I've got a big concrete or mortar mixer, stator tube pumper that I got from Spray Force. It was like 19 grand. It mixes up 900 pounds at a time. And then you can blow that on. It's pushing it out actually. So this is gravity feed. That actually has a stator, which is sort of a screw system in a rubber tube that pushes through the material, and you can regulate the speed of that. So sometimes I use that, but on this job and the challenge of the distance from the front yard to the backyard, we've just been going with this guy. It sort of slows things down because we're not doing 900 pounds at a time, but it's definitely what you got to do when you're in a place that's a little more difficult in terms of access. But this is something you can use on even a big job. This is, you know, multi-tens of thousands of dollar job, and this little old hopper is going to be doing the texture coat for us. So anyways, hope you're having a great day wherever you're at. Remember, if you want to learn how to do this stuff, go to davehenderson.podia.com. We have free PDF downloads there, and you can learn how to do this stuff. And I got my book, Making Rocks. I got a book on slides, concrete slides, and that's a good one too. So working on other content, doing things to make things clear so folks can learn how to do this. So if you have any questions or input or ideas, let me know. Send me a message or an email or something. Tell me what you think of this video. Your comments really are great, and they really mean a lot to me, and I love hearing from you guys out there. So anyway, remember to be forgiving and thankful. You get those two things dialed in, you're going to have a happier life. You're going to be a blessing to others and not a curse. We don't want to be curses to people. So anyways, hope you're having a great day. We look forward to you seeing you, meeting you one of these days, maybe at a workshop or training sometime. In the meantime, again, be kind to one another, tell someone you love them, and give somebody a hug. All right, dude, we will see you later. Absolutely. Bye.